The Polini clutch has been built. What it looks like to me is that if you needed to change the springs or fix the springs on a regular clutch, you would have to tear this whole thing down. If you did that, you would have to take your front variator off, your belt off, everything. This is a little bit different. This has been taken off and tightened and cleaned, and I don't know how exactly. I know how it's going to work. If you tighten this nut down on this side or on this other side here, you need a 6mm wrench like there to do it. You'll make the clutch tighter to where the engine will have to rev higher in order to see. When you put the clutch on, you want to make sure everything turns right. Then I'm going to have to put on the belt and the front, and it's going to be a little bit of a process. On the front here, I use the red Loctite, and I have to take it off with the heating gun right there. But I use the red Loctite so that it doesn't back the nut off and I get stranded somewhere. Okay, I'm going to put this drive unit back together.